Hi Seekers, good morning. So today we're going to do our second lesson of step-by-step shapes. So yesterday we did circle, triangle, and square. So today for step by step, we're going to learn how to draw a rectangle and a diamond. Okay? So the first thing, we're going to start with the rectangle first. So the first thing you're going to do is make a little dot on your paper. And from this dot, you're going to make a long line. A long line. When you finish making this line, make another dot on the end of the line. Alright, so the second step, this is step 1. So the second step is we're going back to the beginning dot. We're going to make a short line straight down. Okay? Alright, this is step 2. Now we're going to find the second dot on the other end of the long line. From this dot, we're going to make a short straight line down. So this is step 3. Alright, step 4 is I am going to close it. Step 4. So in order to make a rectangle, we need 4 steps. First, we need to make a long line. Make sure you have 2 dots on 2 ends of the long line. And the second step is we're going back to the first dot. We're making a short line all the way down. And the third step is we're going to the other dot and make a short line all the way down. And the last step is to close it. Alright, now we're going to try to make a diamond. So, in order to make a diamond, I'm going to make a dot first. So from this dot, I'm going to make one line on the other side, on one side, and from this dot, I'm going to make another line on the other side. Okay? So, in the end of these 2 lines, I'm going to make 2 dots. Okay? 2 dots. So this is step 1, step 2. Step 3 is, from this dot, I'm going to make a line down, but make it go in a little bit. Does it go straight like this? No, it does not go straight like this. It goes in. It goes inside a little bit. Alright, so this is step 3. Alright, step 4 to make a diamond is to close it. Step 4. So in order to make a diamond, we also need 4 steps. We're going to make a dot first. And step 1 is make one line on one side. Step 2 is make another line on the other side. Make sure you make 2 dots on the end of these 2 lines. And step 3 is from this dot, from the number 1 dot, we're going to make a line go in a little bit. It doesn't just go straight down, it goes in a little bit. And step 4 is we're going to close it. Good job, Seekers. Can you practice drawing some rectangles and diamonds at home? Thank you for drawing with me. Have a good day. Bye.